G'day guys, in today's video I'm talking about one of my recent upgrades which I've just purchased today, or just has arrived today, which is a small little isopropyl or alcohol squirter bottle. And previously I've been using one of these and the spray mechanism of it has completely failed, so I've been basically pushing the button and dribbling it out alcohol in a rather uncontrolled situation. That compared to something like this, where I can just gently squeeze it and just trace around where I want to go. It works very well. It's going to be a very good upgrade. So what that means for me is on something like a back of a phone, I could just trickle or prod in, trickle a little bit of alcohol in there. That's going to make getting this back cover considerably easier. So I've always been using isopropyl alcohol to take off back covers of phones, using them to remove screens. Anything that's got adhesive, I find it's worthwhile using this stuff. And the reason why my squirter bottle's worn out is because I buy isopropyl alcohol in about 5-litre containers. So I buy a 5-litre container, refill the 500ml one 10 times, and the isopropyl has burnt out the spray mechanism. So one of these is going to prove a lot more controlled, a lot better. It's always worthwhile upgrading the tools that you may have. And also, what do I use isopropyl for? So it's mainly used for cleaning. So it can be used for, one thing I see it for is acrylic nails. Isopropyl to clean the fingernails before putting it down, or removing the glue residue after they've been removed. But what I use them for is getting into phones, cleaning up the screens. It's good stuff to spray on the screen and give it a wipe down with a microfiber cloth. And they tend to clean up really well from there as well. Anyway, always worth upgrading your toolkit. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.